How to use Cash App Borrows. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to use Cash App Borrows. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application. Just like you can see here, this is the home page of the app. Once you are here, make sure you go to the bottom menu and tap on the bank icon. This will take you to the Money section of your Cash App account, as you can see here. On this page, you will see sections that are related to money. From them, go to the Explore section where there are other sections related to money. Among them, there is an option named Borrow, as you can see here. This option appears for some accounts, but for others, it may not be there. So contact Cash App and ask them to fix that for you. Tap on the Borrow option. After you tap on it, you will see a page that shows you how much you can currently borrow on your account, plus some important information about the Borrow feature. Tap on the option named Continue to continue. The money will then arrive in your account. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to use Cash App Borrows.